Hi, this is Vanishri, Dr. Vanishri from Skin Arena, Pune. So today I'm going to talk about something very interesting. Apart from the usual skin infections and skin issues, I know you guys must be really feeling sad to hear about those things every time. So today is something very interesting. It's about a cosmetic treatment, a procedure basically. Something totally cosmetic and not for any skin issues or anything. But this is something which you can do for enhancing your beauty also, especially for the girls. So this is called, the procedure is called lip micropigmentation, and the same type of procedure is done for eyebrow micropigmentation, for enhancing the eyebrow shape and the length of the eyebrow, and someone who has faint eyebrows. So this procedure will help you in that. So I'll talk about the procedure first and then I'll tell you details. So this procedure is basically putting color under your skin, but with the superficial layer, means in a top layer, so that it is, because so it is semi-permanent. It's also called, you must have heard of semi-permanent lipstick. So this procedure is the same procedure. Some people call it semi-permanent lipstick, some call it lip tattooing or eyebrow tattooing. So it's not exactly like tattoo, because tattoo is something which is permanent. It's the color deposits in the deeper level of the skin. This is something which is in the upper level, and the color used, pigment used is also different here. It's not like the ink used in tattoo. This is something totally different. So it's deposited in the upper layer, slightly upper level of the skin, which over the time, that is why over the time it fades off, the color fades off in 2-3 years. So hence it is called semi-permanent. So after 2-3 years you will have to do a retouch up. You might have to do a touch up again, so that the color looks fresh and will look new again. So there are two types of things you can do in this kind of procedure. Either someone who wants to darken their eyebrows, or who has less hairs on the eyebrows, so they want to enhance the shape and make it look, so you won't feel the hair, obviously it's just a color, but from far you will see that it doesn't look like you have colored it, or it looks very natural from in photos and pictures and all that. Then for the lips it is not only like a lipstick, it can also be used for lip pigmentation. So someone who has lip pigmentation due to smoking or over usage of some lipsticks or sun damage, so you can get rid of your pigmentation by using lip micropigmentation. There are different color options in that. So there are very nude colors like light pink shades, or even there is a very nudish color like a pink brown type of color. So that when you use that, the lip looks just normal, it looks natural. So you will get rid of your pigmentation, but it still looks like it will be blending with your lip color. It won't look like you have colored it or anything. But then there are darker options for those who want to do it for lip color enhancing. Like if you want to use it as a semi-permanent lipstick, there are color options like red, there is a strawberry pink, then there is a peachish color, then there is a slight orangish reddish color option. Then these colors can be even blended so that you get a new color out of it. So the most running color as of now is a strawberry pink color. Not exactly pink, but it is a mixture of red and strawberry pink color. It's a mix of that. So that is the most running color now. So for those girls who are like fed up of using lipsticks, or if you don't want to spend on lipsticks every now and then, and even lipsticks have components which are not good for your skin also, like over the long period of time. So if you don't want to have those, if you don't want to hustle of using lipsticks every now and then, or again doing a retouch up, going to the washroom in the midday and getting it retouched, redo it, So instead of all those hassles, you can go for a semi-permanent lipstick. But it's not, yeah, you must be wondering that if I do a semi-permanent lipstick, I'll always have to go with one shade. No, you can still use your lipstick over that lips and use a different color. It's not going to, maybe there will be a slight difference in the color shades than what your lipstick is, but you can still use other dark colors on it. There's no, or you can go for a light nude pink and then use your lipsticks also on and off whenever you want. And someone who doesn't want to use lipsticks but have to use it due to profession, but is like not interested in using it, but because of your profession you need to use it, so someone like that can go for a semi-permanent lipstick, so you don't have to use lipsticks anymore. So there are different color options also. And every two sittings will be required. That is done 15 days apart. It is done under local anesthesia. So we use anesthetic cream which has to be applied for some amount of time, and then post that the procedure is done. So no pain is felt. After the procedure you might feel slight burning sensation or something like that for 30 minutes. After that you'll be fine. Then there will be scabbing for few days, 5 to 6 days. Scabs will be formed and they fall off, the skin peels off, and then there's a normal color. So then we need a second touch up again in 15 second sitting basically for after 15 days, and after that it's done. For some people who want darker shades, you might require a third sitting as well. So that's it about lip micropigmentation. So it's something very interesting. I'm sure many girls will be interested. So we have it at Skin Arena also. So if someone from Pune is watching this video, you can inquire more about it. Come down to the clinic and ask for it. So we have that procedure right now. I have posted 1 or 2 pics also on the page. So for before after pics of few patients we have done. So you can go through that also. So you have the two. So this is not only for girls. Even men can do it. Those men who have pigmentation due to smoking and all, they can also do it. So don't worry about it will look like a lipstick. We have colors which will look exactly like your actual lip color. It will just blend with it, and the pigmentation part will be taken care of. So it will look normal. I have pictures of the men also who have done it here. So I'll just post it so you'll have a clear idea about how it will look before and after. So think about it. My lip semi-permanent lipstick. Very interesting. Okay, bye.